very quick, colourful border using only things from Google Slides. Let's go and have a look. Alright, so I am going to get a shape. Let's go to shapes, and then I'm going to go to, I'll go for a star, and let's just get a 7-pointer star. That's good. Now, I am going to fill it up with a nice bright colour. I don't like the outline, so I'm going to get rid of it. I'm going to go into this part here and go make it transparent. Then I'm going to copy 4 times. Copy once, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I control paste, and then I paste it. Alright, so that's easy to do. 1 extra. Okay, next I'm going to get a shape. And I'm going to make the background a certain colour. And that colour is going to be that colour. And I'm going to make it to the back. So make sure you've clicked on it, then go to Arrange, go to Order, go to Back, and it's in the back. This time I'm going to get another shape. I'm going to get a rectangle, and then I'm going to change the colour to white. You can leave it like that if you want, which is perfectly fine. Or you can bring these stars forward just by arranging. In fact, I'm going to shift them all these stars, to make them all come out at once. And that one there. And then I'm going to go to Arrange, Order, Front. That's fine, there you go. There's a nice, quick, easy border. Now, if you wanted to make a whole ream of slides the same, all you need to do is right click when you go into the top here, and then you duplicate. Do it again. Do it again. Boom, just like that, and you've made a very quick, fun, kid-friendly border that you can write anything in the middle. By the way, if you want this, I'm going to make it for free. Just click on the bottom and make a copy for yourself. Yay! Thanks for watching. This is Mel from Classroom Faves. Please like, share and subscribe.